Good. So welcome everybody to join this seminars. Today I'm going to talk about sport medicine in TCM. Probably it is quite a new branch in TCM. It seems like a new branch because previously there's never such common terminology in TCM calling sports medicine in TCM. However, it is a quite old medicine, already included in TCM. Why do we say it's quite old? Because, for example, in the Shaolin fighting movement, Wushu, the first injury had to be covered, to be treated properly, immediately. That was also through TCM. This first. Second is that TCM was always developed together with other cultures. For example, Daoism, Buddhism. So during the injury, besides TCM, Daoism, Buddhism also played important roles in sports medicine. Therefore, today we are going to focus what is sports medicine in TCM. Of course, this is the book published about 2 years ago or last year. It is a book which contains a lot of issues, but we try to focus our attention to give some outline of sport medicine in TCM. First, we talk about what is the content of TCM sport medicine. And before talking this, we have to show you first what is health. Of course, the purpose of sport medicine is to help people for the following issues. Boost the energy, but also to promote recovery of all kinds of injury and complaints. Don't always focus our attention to treat sports injury. It is more than that. It is more than that. Actually, TCM should be applied to promote not only for athletes, for sport people, but also promote for the health of normal people, how to improve their health. And above this all, we also have to, especially to how to prevent injury and how prevent all kinds of complaints occurring during, after sport medicine. I give example. During the sport medicine or during sport activity, what is the most complaint people are going to have is shortness of breath. Shortness of breath. But can TCM do something to improve this shortness of breath? The answer is yes. Yes. So all those things are covered in TCM. But how can we improve people's health through sport medicine? Not only a good coach, a training, but also give emotional coach, give a diet advice together with TCM treatment. They are very important in TCM. So the technical coach training, we can do nothing because we are not specialized. But the rest of the things we can still do of a lot help for them. For example, we are talking back about shortness of breath. When we talk shortness of breath, the first things we have to understand is that why it happens. How it happens, how can we manage it? There is a herb called herb adfrager. Do you know this herb? Yes, very good. But I first analyze these kind of herbs, and then you should know, should be these herbs applied, or should be it's in the doping test, doping forbidden list. You understand by yourself. So during the sport medicine activity, people have shortness breath, right? Besides that, people have also other kind of complaints, tight. And these complaints limited sport activity. So for example, in marathon running, and all kinds of sport activity. So in TCM, don't forget, according to breath, all kinds of breathing problem, which organ is involved? Lung. Now, and usually we always know lung is in charge of respiration, for cough, for common cold. But don't forget, lung is far more interesting than what we call for respiration. Actually, TCM never say lung is responsible only for respiration. TCM say lung is dominating.